For this next part, guys, the business cycles, I need you to use the business cycle document that's in CalCampus after the lecture slides. And guys, you just need to take the one A4 piece of paper. If you want to do it the way I've done it, and I go and literally write down the documents for revenue, and I explain the process there. And then for purchases, and I explain the process there. And payroll, and the process, the controls, the documents, the way the information moves through until it lands in the financial statements, for inventory and finance and investment cycle. And I've done it that it's on one page. It's important to be aware of all your cycles. So for me, when it's all on one page, I can start to see the links between something like the revenue and the purchase. Because if I'm selling, somebody else is buying. So you can see the two cycles working from the different perspective. That's how I've put it down. You will have to see what I've done, and as I'm doing it, attempt to follow. Guys, we put down what we believe as auditors the business cycles should be in a business. So we believe this is how they go about recording the transaction. And in order for this transaction to be recorded free from material misstatements, we then say these are the controls that should be there. And that is the business cycle. What's going to happen in a question is they're going to tell you the cycle, and it's going to have missing steps in the process, missing documents, missing controls. And you then need to compare the cycle in the question to the cycle you're about to note here. And where there's differences in documents, in what's included, in the controls around those documents. If there are documents missing and controls missing, you need to pick that up by comparing their cycle to what's here, and then you will identify the issues. Okay, guys, all the control activities that we want to see need to be in those cycles. All those control activities we've just done need to be in the cycles. So I have a legend for showing how that control activity fits in. Okay, just so that I don't have to keep writing pre-number, reconciliation, access controls. So as you'll see, once I've put the documents down for revenue, we'll then go and put the controls in place, and pre-numbered will be with that sign. And then you know that that document should be pre-numbered. Reconciliation will be with your arrow like that. Access controls will be with an A. Then you know they have to have access controls. Authorization, I'll have that little circle there, and you'll know that must be authorized. And segregation of duties, where I want to see it, between documents, between steps, there will be that black arrow. Then you know different people should be doing different things. Okay, so let's open that document and start jotting down the cycles.